Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Circulo yarns. I am super excited because Circulo is releasing new yarn lines and colors, but there is one specific yarn that I am really excited for, and I'm hoping that it's in this box. Ha! It is! It's Alpaya! I saw Circulo start to preview this yarn, and you know I was excited. I have been actively trying to work through my yarn stash and only bring back in natural fibers. Give me all the plant and animal fibers, especially cotton. Living in Florida now, I need breathable yarns, and the synthetics just don't cut it. That's a big part of why I love Circulo. They have so many cotton and cotton blend options in a huge range of colors and yarn weights. Alpaya is one of their newest yarns, and it's a luxurious 70% organic Pima cotton and 30% Baby Alpaca blend. I'm not sure that it gets any better than that. Circulo spent close to 2 years developing this yarn, and you can tell it's perfect. The texture on this yarn is amazing. It's buttery soft and silky. I cannot wait to try it. This yarn is made in Peru and was designed to have two very distinct color stories: quiet luxury neutrals for a timeless sophistication, and a set of trendy shades suitable for today's fashion runways. I have the colors Crystal and Oatmeal, and I would describe Crystal as a perfect warm vanilla that's not too yellow. It's gorgeous. Oatmeal I would describe as like that perfect grayish. It's almost like a warm stone. It's perfect. It's stunning. Alpaya is a number 4 worsted weight yarn available in 15 colors. Each hank consists of 185 yards at a weight of 3.5 ounces. The recommended hook is 4 millimeters to a 5.5 millimeter. I'm going to try my swatch today with a 4.5 millimeter hook. This yarn opened up nicely. There was only one tie, which was wonderful. I didn't have any tangles, and it caked up beautifully. Let's do a little swatch in some double crochet. Wow, just from these first few stitches, I can already say that I love this yarn. It feels great running through my fingers, and it's just gliding over my hook. Seriously luxurious. The stitch definition is phenomenal. I think for a project I might go up a hook size. I'm not sure. I think it depends on the stitch and what I decide to make with it. The 4.5 feels good, but I definitely think that this yarn would work up perfectly with a larger or a smaller hook too. It's really going to depend on what I want to make. I'm not sure yet. I'm still brainstorming a couple of ideas. Also, side note, I love when Circulo sends me their catalog. I'm a sucker for nice stationery, and these thick velvety catalogs are so fun to flip through. Just check out some of these other yarns and color options. Bohemia is a lace weight superwash merino mulberry silk mohair blend. Wow. Bossa Nova, I have some of this and it's beautiful. I've been stashing it waiting for the perfect project, maybe this winter. It's a worsted weight 100% superwash merino. Voluna, a fingering weight superwash merino. Look at these colors. I haven't tried this yet, but I might have to. Clove and tobacco looked gorgeous. Aloe vera. In Love is a good one. It's a 100% cotton that comes in a DK and chunky. I'm not sure what to characterize it as. It's kind of like a boucle. Lucky Feet, another fingering weight, but a 75% superwash merino and 25% hand-painted polyamide. I haven't tried this yet. I really like salty caramel. Look at these colors. Let It Sock, Glamour. I have a project going on with this one. Sugarcane. Gosh, there's so many and so many color options. All right, friends, that's enough chit chat. Alpaya is available now and linked below for you to shop. I also added some easy links to some of my other favorite Circulo yarns. Be sure to check them out. You will absolutely love them. They are perfect for the summer months, and if you live somewhere subtropical like me, they are great for year-round projects. Let me know in the comments below which yarn you are most excited about, and I can't wait to see what you all start making with your brand new Circulo yarns.